pressure inside the core can no longer be held back. At long last, we have arrived. 123.45, explosion. In the instant the lid is thrown off the reactor, oxygen rushes in. It combines with hydrogen and superheated graphite. The chain of disaster is now complete.
Yesterday.
I'd like to thank Vincero Watches for sponsoring my 6-month anniversary with my 2002 Porsche 911 Turbo, which is getting a lot of work done to get it ready for a track day to ensure that it doesn't explode. Please don't explode. And I was thrilled that Vincero reached out because I am a big fan of their product. I'm currently wearing their black chronograph model with a silicone band, and it has the look and the feel of a much more expensive watch. It's really snazzy. It's also very comfortable and breathable, so when I'm sweating it out on the track later, worrying about killing my 20th engine, it won't get all nasty. Just look at the attention to detail here with the textured dial and bezel, along with the mixed metals in the finish, and on the back of the case is the company's motto, Veni Vidi Vici, I came, I saw, I conquered, along with a real piece of Italian marble. This watch is water resistant and has a scratch resistant crystal face, and because they are sponsoring today's video, I'm able to offer viewers 15% off their Vincero watch by going to their website, vincerowatches.com, which is linked in the description below, and using the code Hoovies. So please check out their watches, go to their website, support my generous sponsor, and treat yourself. vincerowatches.com and use the code Hoovies for 15% off. These things are really, really nice. Now, back to cars. I'm going to help the wizard. Yes, happy anniversary to my 2002 Porsche 911 Turbo. I still think this is the best value Porsche in the world. It's the last affordable 911 Turbo you can buy, and if you're actually going to use the car, it makes sense to buy one of these unless you can swing the 991 Turbo S starting in 2014, but those are still like $100,000. This car only cost me $37,000, and in the last 6 months, I have not had to do a single thing to it. Not a thing. It's been dead reliable, 77,000 miles. All the things that I've chosen to do so far with this car have been elective, starting with the wrap. It started out as silver, and I swore I was never going to buy a silver 911 ever again, and it was just too good of a deal to pass up. So I wrapped it in orange, and it looks very pretty, at least I think so. But now we're actually getting into some repairs. It's the 6-month mark, and I am finally going to take it to the track. Yes, the track where I've killed the original 911 engine in my 1999 Porsche 911, the Apollo. That was a catastrophic failure. And then after swapping an LS engine into it, the wizard did all of that work, and I helped a little bit. I killed that engine promptly as well. So I'm 2 for 2. The Prius has another engine, but that was just me being stupid with the nitrous. Which, speaking of, there's actually a 3rd hole in this Prius engine. They've taken it out, they're working on it, getting a new engine in there.
Look, the hole kind of makes a distorted face. Like a man screaming in pain. Window.
Surprise 3rd hole in the Prius engine. But anyway, back to this 911. We are going to get it ready for the track. And in this instance, this engine was built to race. It's a Mezger-inspired engine, which is a racing engine as far as I know. And all we're doing is changing the oil, but a lot of the work that we are doing, wherever the wizard went, wizard? A lot of the work that we are doing is just normal maintenance. This is just elective surgery. And wizard is here. What do you have there?
Your cracked up brake rotors.
Probably would have survived a track day, but still a little scary, right?
Yeah, and they're quite thin compared to the new ones.
I don't want to take any chances at the track.
No.
So we are doing that. He's already got the rotors on. The new pads are on. I had bald tires. I didn't realize this until I was driving it up in the rain, and it hydroplaned really bad. So we have new Michelin Pilot Sport tires to go on this thing. But the last step is to bleed the brakes, and you actually need me.
Yeah.
This is the first time you've needed me.
Yeah, I need you to push the brake pedal.
That's hard work.
Yeah.
So I get a discount for pushing the brake pedal?
No.
I'll never get a free lunch with Wizard. But it is his birthday today. Wizard is 40.
40.
40. And he still has all of his wizard strength. I just hope I'm so strapping and
I'm not
wizardy as you at
I'm
40.
chubby.
You're aspiring. Well, people are saying you're losing weight, right?
I don't see how.
In the comments. looking buff and trim.
Maybe it's just the summer weather. I'm sweating it off.
But I don't need to be very buff to push a brake pedal for you, right?
No.
Okay.
Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. 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 Up. Up. Down. Down. Up. Up. Down. Down. Up. Up. Down. Down.
Next morning.
We're up here at Heartland Park in Topeka, and I'm joined by my friend Tanner Bragnard. Yes, he's a young, new YouTuber. He started about the same time as me, and he's done pretty well for himself. He got a lemonade stand and bought this Lamborghini not too long ago. And you've amassed a little bit of a following, about how many?
4 point something.
Yeah, 4-point-something thousand subscribers.
Yeah.
Thousand?
Yes. Million.
Million. 4-something million.
Million.
Really? I did not know this. Okay. 4 million. Let me look you up.
Calculating my AdSense right now.
No, I'm not. I'm looking you up. I'm like, whoa. Because you're bigger than Daddy DeMuro then.
Oh, who's that?
Perfect. Yes. Yes, exactly. That's
DeMuro.
exactly right. Doug DeMuro. That's fine. You don't need to know who he is. 31 million views. You filled an entire room full of beanbags.
Yeah, don't do that. I still find them in like pairs of clothes. So, yeah.
A pool full of Orbeez for 14 million views.
That shouldn't have got that many views because I jokingly did that clickbait thumbnail.
Trampoline versus waterbed, 13 million views. I'm clearly doing the wrong thing. I need to...
Go buy some water beds.
Yeah, I need to fill this car full of water beds and then drive around with it. That's what I need to do.
You need to
That
pack
makes
it
a lot
full
of sense.
A ball pit and then go around.
Go around the track? That's a great idea. Yeah,
Spill.
I'm not worried about the car. This is the first time I'm here and I'm not worried about the car. I'm here with a car that's designed to go on the track. I've got new brakes, new brake fluid. It shouldn't break, but the last 3 times I've been here, I've killed my cars.
Oh, yikes. But I don't have that. It's my first time here.
Well, I'm gonna go out on the track now. I am not nervous. I'm not nervous in the slightest at all.
I am.
I'm very
I'll
nervous.
admit it.
Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. And good luck to you in this lemonade stand mobile. Good job.
Thank
yes.
you.
You know that reference?
No.
Hi.
Hi. Here, have your helmet on for this.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you need to back up a little bit so I can let my next lane go.
Okay, thank you. Huh. I got in such a hurry on the cameras and everything else.
Remember to leave your window down so you can
All
get
right.
point buys.
Thank you.
All right.
Here he comes.
To be honest, this is the first time I haven't been out here in a total hoopty. Apollo 911 had 250,000 miles on it, and the NSX had the ABS bypassed and mismatched tires. The Mustang was an old Mustang, obviously, so this is the first time I've been in a car that's actually prepared for this. All right, reeling in this FRS right in the beginning, and I'm still not even shifting. I'm just hanging out in 5th. This is the car, people. Minutes is a long time. Seems like an eternity because I've never made it out on a full lap like this before. Wow. I have oil pressure. I have brakes. I have temperature. Everything works. So this is the most boring video ever where you come to see me, you see a car explode because I'm dumb and I buy something stupid, but I didn't. And that's why this is the best 911 that you can buy, bar none. The value, the reliability, the looks, the performance, everything. This is the best 911 ever.
12 seconds later.
smell of coolant. And that would be my car.
Just wait right there.
You got it.
All over the place.
Well, shoot. So I've just shut down the entire track because I did half a lap with coolant spewing out of the back of the car. So now I'm going to go back and everybody's going to be mad at me. At least it's coolant and not oil. So now this is the real end of the video, and I didn't bring a trailer to bring the car home in case it broke, so I'm really in trouble. Oh dear. Thank you for watching. Help me out?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.